Want your Windows Start menu to feel more like your own. In this guide, I'll show you how to customize the Windows Start experience using OpenShell, from choosing a classic layout to changing the skin, menu items, search behavior, and Start button. First, open the OpenShell settings window. The quickest way is to right-click the Start button and choose Settings. If you do not see that option, search for OpenShell menu settings from the Windows search box. On the main tab, start with the menu style. OpenShell gives you three main choices: Classic Style, Classic with 2 columns, and Windows 7 Style. Classic is compact, 2 columns gives you more shortcuts, and Windows 7 Style is usually the most familiar for everyday use. Next, adjust the look of the menu. You can change the icon size, menu size, user picture, and visual behavior. If you want a cleaner menu, use small icons and remove items you never use. For a more traditional setup, keep larger icons and enable the user picture. Now open the Skin tab. This is where the Start menu gets its overall style. Try a built-in skin such as Windows Classic, Windows XP, Windows 7, Metro, Aero, or Metallic. Click a skin, check the preview, and then adjust any extra options that appear below it. Go to the Menu Items tab to control what appears inside the Start menu. Here, you can add useful shortcuts like Documents, Downloads, Control Panel, Settings, or this PC. You can also remove links that make the menu feel crowded. After that, check the Search and Control settings. You can decide whether search looks through programs, files, and settings. In Controls, you can also choose what happens when you click the Start button or press the Windows key. This is helpful if you want OpenShell to handle everything, or if you want to keep part of the normal Windows Start experience. For one final touch, open the Start button tab. You can keep the default button, use a built-in classic button, or choose a custom image. If you use a custom button, make sure the image includes normal, hover, and press states for the best result. When you are happy with the setup, click OK and open the Start menu to test it. You can always return to OpenShell settings later and fine-tune anything that does not feel right. A few small changes can make Windows feel much faster and more comfortable to use.